If you're about to sell your house, well, an agent could put a sign in your yard, but which agent is going to get the most money? The answer is Rudy Kasuma. Just saw Rudy and his staff yesterday. We had a great lunch together, and he does sell twice as fast than the average agent, and he sells for more money, 2% more on average. And he has the buyers. He has an exclusive buyers in waiting system with 7,900 ready home buyers ready to go right now. And Rudy sold an Orange County home in just 11 days, multiple offers, sold it for $5,000 over asking. Call Rudy now at 855-RUDY-SELLS, 855-783-7355, or go to RudyHasTheBuyers.com, RudyHasTheBuyers.com.